Hello, my name's Michelle. I've never really had issues too much with my teeth. I have had a couple of them pulled, and so I was a little bit self-conscious of my smile. I mean, as you can see, they're not bad. I don't have back teeth though, and so I looked into pop-on veneers, and because I seen that, you know, it would replace those missing teeth, I was really confident in the fact that I just knew that these were gonna look great on me. So I've already did my impressions and sent them in. They already sent me my pop-on veneers, which are right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. I'll show you. This is what they look like. I got the Hollywood white, and this is how they look, and we're gonna pop them in now. I mean, it's totally different. I can't believe how good it looks. Oh my goodness. But this is really worth it, you guys. It was worth it for me to spend the little bit of money it was to make myself feel better. And I would highly recommend getting a pair of pop-on veneers from Pop-on Veneers.